All right, everyone, this is the moment you've been waiting for. The newly modernized Otis Autotronic elevator at the investment building downtown Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. The mod was just finished. Hadfield elevator, recently finished modernization. Innovation universal. Sadly, Otis pop-up buttons will be missed, but yeah, these things kind of need to go up to 21. Let's see if we're going to go up or down. Up, good. There's actually someone at the desk today, so I kind of don't want to be down there. It's bouncy. I wonder if it's on the original motor. It definitely feels like it's on the original motor. Yeah, it definitely feels like it's on the original motor. Here, 21. Back down to 2. 88 phone. Is this on an original controller too? No, I don't think so. Basic cab. That fan is annoying and loud. Got rid of all the old lights, they replaced it with that new light. Yeah, it's done. Now all the other ones are out of service. It's not stopping at every other floor. It's good. We're stopping, or is it just slowing down weirdly because it's on the original motor? Yeah, it's just slowing down weirdly because that's on the original motor. Back to 2. Yep, there it goes, and that's going to be it.